Fit 9005, 9006, 9012, 9140, 9145, 9150, 9155, HB3 HB3 H10 lamp connector. High-efficient copper wiring with connector set included. Nylon male-female plug, can withstand up to 1200 Fahrenheit, heavy-duty, high-efficient, heat-resistant. Note: may not be long enough to use as an extension for your application, please check the length before purchasing. Package: 4 PCs, 2 sets male-female adapter wiring harness sockets wire. Top reviews from the United States. Connectors to match OEM wire harness male connectors when replacing with aftermarket fog lights. Bought these to connect to the factory OEM connectors to connect aftermarket fog lights. Now when I have to remove the front bumper again, all I have to do is unplug the connector and not cut wires.